Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video filmed by 3D Printing Store. My name is Wesley Fenter. I am the video guy, the content creator, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about this week's product of the week. Our product of the week this week is our 3D pen. It's really simple how it works. I'm going to explain to you guys how it works, my pros and cons about it, my personal opinion about it, and should you get one or not, and then we're going to show you a video of one of our interns using this pen and creating some art with it. First things first, the pen is a really great gift. It's 400 Rand as it sits right now on our website. We have blue, pink, purple, camo color. There's quite a bit of options of colors that you can do. It uses the standard 1.75 millimeter filaments. You can do PLA or ABS. I personally have just used the PLA on it. It's very simple to use. It is child safe for children above the age of 8 years old. It is safe to touch and everything like this, but remember the tip is still hot. You're going to 190 degrees on the tip of here, so young kids can burn themselves. Other than that, it's really a great gift for kids. Being so cheap, it's really a great bang for the buck. The best uses that I would say for the 3D pen is either filling some gaps in your existing 3D print is a nice use for this. If you guys have some under extrusions, you can fill that in. Another thing you can do is just create normal art. Basically what the 3D pen is, it is a handheld 3D printer. The pros about it, it's very cheap considering that what you're getting for what you're paying for. It's easy to use, it's super simple, and you're not going to very easily break it. As long as you treat it right, you don't throw it on the ground, anything like that, it's a really great thing to do. It's USB powered, so you can plug it directly into your laptop with the image displayed that you want to recreate and draw, and you can copy from there. What we did, we just printed a picture of a butterfly, put a piece of glass on top of it, and traced it from there. Another pro about the 3D pen is that you don't need a specific sized filament that only the pen can take. It's not like a 1.2 millimeter or a 3 millimeter like some printers that are being put out of existence. It does use the standard PLA, the 1.75 or the ABS. So it's really nice that you don't have to get special equipment for this pen. Some of the cons on this pen, I actually can only really think of one, and that is it's very difficult to use. Unless you're a really artistic person, it's going to take you a lot of practice to be able to recreate something like this. I personally am terrible with the 3D pen, but I have seen with my own eyes people who can create sculptures and fairies and anything like that. People are able to, but it does take a lot of practice. You're not going to, on the first day, your first try, create a whole Eiffel Tower or a sculpture. It's going to take a lot of practice. If you have the time and the patience to learn it, it's going to be a lot of fun for you. How the 3D pen works is super simple. We have a power cable that goes in over here, and the second hole at the back is for your filament. So you do get a couple of samples of 10 meter filaments that you can wear across your wrist like a bracelet and start going. Or you can have the big roll of filament right next to you and have it feed that way, and you can just keep on drawing. It has two buttons over here. When you switch it on, you can select PLA or ABS, and then you just hit the forwards button that it can start heating up. Once it's heated up, you put in your filament. So you put your filament in halfway and you press the forwards button and it just feeds it through for you. From there, you hold this button in for it to extrude forwards, and you press this button back for it to extrude all the filament out for you to change colors. On the other side over here, we do have a little sliding dial, where basically what it means is that if it's at its very frontmost position, it is feeding at the fastest possible rate. And if it is at its most furthest back position, it's feeding at the slowest possible rate. How you would hold this is like a normal pen, where your index finger can control the speed of the filament that it comes out, and your thumb can just press the go button or the extrude forwards button, and you can just start drawing. Once you're done with your print, you can just set it down in the holder that it comes with, and you unplug it, wait for it to cool down, and you can store your pen away. From there, whatever you're drawing your print on, you can scrape it off or pull it off. You can do it directly on tables, you can do it directly on paper. We did it on a piece of glass just so that it would be easier to take off, that we have the least possible risk of breaking the print. Alright guys, so here next is a time-lapsed video of our intern Kayla. She is going to be trying to do this butterfly over here, see how it works. She used a couple of great colors in here, and personally I'm very impressed by her results. This is the first time that she's used the 3D pen, so I personally was very impressed. A couple of other guys in the store was really impressed. Hope you enjoy the video.